Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ether pulled back today in 3 waves. We talked about that in the previous video. It was a 3-wave pullback, which is quite obvious now. Into the support region I mentioned in the last video between 2,250 and 2,333. What we want to see on this chart is a 5-wave move to the upside in the yellow scenario, in which a wave 2 bottomed here on the 23rd of January. 1 second, just need to... That Y wave moved. Okay, so that's the idea, that a wave 2 bottomed here on the 23rd of January, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 down, wave 3 up. And now it's all about, okay, is it failing after 3 waves or do we get another wave up? Message is, as always, as long as we're holding above support, we can give it a chance. Benefit of the doubt. Support did hold. Yeah, let's see if it persists. Obviously, we've got the Fed interest rate decision today. That always leads to a lot of volatility. And that can generate, some crazy volatility sometimes. I don't expect too much, but you never know. Therefore, we just focus on the charts. The parameters are very clear. Support is between 2,250 and 2,333. And the price reacted basically here to the 50% retracement. Now, to confirm that this 5th wave is really unfolding, I'd like it to break above 2,390. Then it has a chance to form 5 waves up. And once we get the 5 waves, we can add a support area for the wave 2. Then we have a 1-2 set up on this chart, add another support area, and the 3rd wave can then take us higher. It is at this stage, of course, still possible that it fails, okay, and that we start the C wave of an extended wave 2, which would probably bottom in the lower region of this support area in green. But to confirm that, I need to see a break below the $2,250 level at least. That's the golden ratio. And below that level, the yellow wave count will reduce dramatically in likelihood, and it will then become more likely that the white count is basically playing out, all right? So that's what I'm watching. So as long as we get 5 waves up, I am going to watch more clearly to the upside. And I think it is worth also knowing where the resistance levels are. So already mentioned in the previous video, we have a range of resistance up there around 2,427 to 2,454. That's a target for wave 5 measured based on the waves 1 and 2. There's another way of measuring targets for wave 5 based on the length of waves 1 through 3. And then we can only do that now because wave 4 now bottomed possibly, okay? I mean, it's good now for a wave 4. If it goes down again, then it might be a very, very deep wave 4. But see, the ideal target is as well for a 5th wave, the 61.8 extension that is at 2,425. That's a very good overlap here with that 2.382 extension. So there's good overlap there. So I'll leave that level on the chart. Just want to highlight that, there is some resistance there. There's a fib level to watch, and it's a target as well as resistance for wave 5. So wave 5 ideally finishes in that region. If we get crazy extensions above that level, well, then it starts to morph again into a 3-wave move. It's interesting how we have so many different phases in the market. At the moment, it's morphing, a lot of morphing from like 5 wave into 3, back to 5, and it's quite interesting. At least the microstructures, right? The microstructures, they morph a lot, they change a lot. So yeah, we see a little bit of volatility. Support is holding. It might be that this wave 5 is unfolding, but Bitcoin is leading the way today. The altcoins not so much. Mainly Bitcoin. Might also form another extension higher. That would be very much in line with what ETH is doing now, but ETH is much weaker. Yeah, much weaker. So we'll see how it goes. I will update you possibly later again. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.